it seems like it's coming from that way. But then,
From all over.
but then when I'm going over there, comes from this way.
It's really weird.
What the fuck? Oh no, I'm not gonna be monetized on YouTube. It's coming from everywhere.
That sounds like a highway, right? But why is it so loud? We never have the highway that loud.
This noise, highway noise, is coming from everywhere.
It's not.
It's weird, isn't it? Doesn't it sound like a highway?
It is. We've seen this video on Top Fives. We should show Peyton this. Remember? It's people in Canada that are in the woods and they hear this noise. And
Is it the same thing?
Yes. They think it's like the Earth's tectonic plates shifting.
Yeah, I've heard. I remember that bit, but it doesn't sound like this. It sounds like.
But it's
coming from there and it's coming from there.
yes. It's coming from everything.
Now it's like grinding. That's scary. Now it's pulsating.
It's the same thing.
It's going vroom.
It keeps making the same noise over and over. It's that noise. You've heard this and you've seen it on videos.
Yeah, but I don't think it's like this, is it?
Sure it is. You can watch it when you get back in the
Oh my
house.
god, let's go. It's already at 10 o'clock. Let's go inside. We shut this? I forgot to shut the garage door last night. Remember?
The fuck?
Yeah.
The gods are angry. It's like it's coming from that way though. But it's coming from that way.
Yeah. It's coming from everywhere. There's certain scientists. Yeah, that's so loud. I think one of the theories is that it's, obviously religious people think it's
Rapture or something.
a sign of the apocalypse
That's
or
bullshit.
whatever, and then you have scientists who think it's like the shifting of the Earth's tectonic plates.
We have lived no near any fault lines.
But they've heard similar noises like in Poland, Russia, Canada.
I've heard a story that there's a big thumps up north of here.
Because, yeah, that's so loud. It's like on repeat.
Sounds like a jet.
Yeah.
Fucking scary, man. You gonna be okay or something?
I don't know.
Sure it's not like WIR?
Yeah, it's on repeat. No.
Huh?
it's coming from over here.
Oh,
It's coming from everywhere.
you sure it's not WIR?
It's not WIR. It's coming from every single angle.
Yeah, but it's not over there. It's only over there. And it's almost gone. It's gone.
That was weird.
I'm pretty sure we just heard that.
I was looking at the WIR sketch